just got back from her first shower. Or, well, bath, not shower. Well, at least her first shower with her new owners, because maybe the people who sold her to us gave her a shower, but I don't know. And she looks so stuffy and cute like this, with her towel wrapped around her, everything. What you looking at? Bye guys.